Without faith, we cannot connect with God. Ngayon, Pastora, faith ka ng faith. Paano kung magkakaroon yan? Romans 10:17 sabi, faith comes by hearing and hearing the word of Christ. So sa pakikinig mo, dumarating yung pananampalataya. Tignan natin yung Hebrews chapter 11 verse 6. And without faith, it is impossible to please God, because anyone who comes to Him must believe that He exists and that He rewards those who earnestly seek Him. Imposible pala nating ma-please yung Diyos kapag wala tayong faith. Okay, so tingnan natin po yung pinagmulan po ng please mula sa Greek. No, ang please po sa Greek ay eurestisai. At galing po yan sa root word na arestos. Ang ibig pong sabihin ng arestos, agreeable. Ano po yung agreeable? Nakikiayon ka sa salita ng Diyos. So, you can please God when you agree with His word. Napiplease sa'yo ang Diyos kapag nag-a-agree ka sa salita niya. Amen?